Hello everyone, welcome back again. So today I got with me here 5 sound beast from different brand. So we're gonna be comparing, not the Zilla, separate video. So I got with me here the JBL boombox3, I'm on the Studio 8, on the Studio 7, and the JBL boombox2. So today we're going to be playing all speakers right here to see which one sounds better among all 4 speakers right here. Now if you're interested to know more information regarding their features, price and all that, I did some videos in the past where I talked about their features and all that, so you can check that out on this YouTube channel. Today we're just going to be focusing on which one sounds better among all 4 speakers. So if you got that headphone, this is definitely the right time to use them, or I hope you're playing from a louder speaker so you're going to get a better sound experience regarding the sound comparison we're about to do right now. Now this sound battle is definitely going to be major, so I advise you play from a louder speaker or use a headphone, because your speaker alone is not going to do enough justice to the sound comparison we're about to do right now. And I advise you watch to the end of this video, because at the end of this video I'm going to be telling you in my own perspective which one plays better according to my own experience. And you can also comment your opinion in the comment section. Let me know which one plays better according to your own experience. So stick to the end of this video, because I'm going to be telling you my own opinion as well. So if you're looking forward to buy one of these speakers for yourself, I hope this video helps you make a better decision. And if you're curious to know which one sounds better, I hope this video enlightens you. Now I've got some sound comparison in this same channel in the past where I featured the Zilla S78, S79, and the Zilla 87, S87, you know, this Zilla names, they are sort of confusing. And I've got sound comparison with the Zilla S98, and I've got a sound comparison that's going to be coming up pretty soon with the Zilla S95. So if you find this video helpful, a thumbs up is going to go a long way, and do way to comment your opinion as well, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't, because I've got a lot of good stuff coming up and good stuff already in this channel. So without wasting much time, let's get right to the sound battle. Now, as expected, the JBL boombox3 is definitely the ultimate right here. So I give the first position to the JBL boombox3 and the JBL boombox2, which is another massive speaker. Boombox speaker, massive sound, big bass. You know, they got all that. And as for the Hamakadon speakers, they're wonderful speakers. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys know that the Hamakadon and the JBL got some sort of collaboration. So the Hamakadon speakers, they're wonderful, good sound, great sound. So I give the third position to the Onyx Studio 8. Massive speaker from Onyx Studio. The fourth position goes to the Onyx Studio 7. So all four speakers right here sounds amazing. You know, the JBL boombox3 got that monster sound. So depending on what you're looking for or what you're interested in, personally, I prefer using the Onyx Studio speaker indoor because they're just too good, you know, to take them on the go. You know, they're just too good on the furniture indoor. So I prefer using them indoor, and they're good speakers. They do a good job, and the battery is not that good, but when you're playing them indoor plugged in, you get good sound, and as long as you have power, it's going to play forever. So the Onyx Studio 7, a massive speaker as well. All four speakers I said earlier are great, but like every other speaker out there, they got their pros and cons. So thank you so much for watching. Do it to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Until next time, peace and love.